January 28th, I think.
I got it recording, but I don't. Let's see what happens.
Trying out a new Gaia app too. This the Jasper Woods is very self-explanatory, I guess, easy to navigate, but this over here on the other side is not.
I got it done, but it took me a while to figure it out. And
Rob never gets lost and turned around in the woods, and he was lost and turned around.
And I don't, still don't know where it all goes because there's so much acres.
So you see my new holder? I'm trying something new.
It's nice.
It's made by the same company that did the backpack strap.
Yeah.
So we're going to see how it works out.
See, this you can take all the way to Pine River.
We're not using our trekking poles. We don't need them, huh? Okay.
It's not a lot of ups.
All right.
I mean, there's little ups and downs.
I just was so focused on getting my new GoPro with my new holder on, I forgot about it.
But the hemlocks back here, absolutely gorgeous.
Isn't it beautiful?
Absolutely.
There's a lot of snow has blown and fallen off.
Yeah,
but
you should have seen it earlier. It was loaded.
air's a little crisp. Oh, I thought the trail was up farther. Oh, a little bunny rabbit tracks. You gotta back up so I don't get the middle of your back the whole hike.
Look at that beech tree. It's
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
It doesn't look like it's diseased.
No.
One healthy beech tree in St. Clair County.
Could be starting.
At the bottom, it looks a little iffy.
That's where they start, right there.
Aw. Yeah.
But it looks pretty good.
She's beautiful.
Nice. It's got hemlock, beech, oak, some ash.
So this is Jasper Woods Sanctuary, owned by Michigan Nature Association. We call it MNA for short.
There's a lot of red maple.
I might be sorry I didn't wear my snow boots, but we'll see.
Look at the size of these trees.
Mm-hmm.
So you can walk straight back through there. That's
Okay,
really
we'll
cool.
stay on trail. Oh, somebody just drove by. Somebody asked us if we had snowshoes. I'm like, I don't like the snow that much. Nope, not yet. And after I retire, I'm planning on not seeing this much snow. We'd like to try chasing the 70s. And I'm not talking about our age. I'm talking about degrees. 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It is harder to walk just in a couple inches. It makes it different. Kind of reminds me of walking in the sand on the beach. A little bit more effort. Oh, look at that tree. Did you see that? This tree, it fell over, but then it's got two growing right up. That's cool. Like how you would even know that, I don't know,
but they're not as strong as the sugar maples. But sugar maples grow slower. Look how beautiful that oak is.
Did you and Bill put these, oh, rabbit poo. You and Bill put them things up?
Mostly Bill, I helped with the little.
I just can't help observe how he hammered that in a beautiful oak tree. Oh, that's cool.
There's a big, huge out there somewhere. This big, huge frickin' maple. It's out there somewhere.
That's cool. She split. Okay. So there's a big, huge maple out there somewhere, huh?
I mean, it's huge.
Usually you see big, huge oak trees. Not so much maples.
And there's, yeah, you can see where the beach are. They used to have to leave. So, that one's pretty big there, that split. That's a maple.
A lot of hemlocks. I guess if you want to see green in the winter, this is where you got to come.
That's why I like it, because there is a lot.
Beautiful little trail. I guess the trees are bigger here than I expected.
They're pretty good size.
Yeah.
They're good size. As you can see, there ain't nobody comes up here. When you
Bunny
get that-
rabbits.
When you get those big trees like that, then you don't get all the aggressive
Undergrowth.
autumn olives and floral roses.
Yep.
Which are all nasty. See where the deer was laying down?
Oh, yep. Yeah. The deer had to have a rest. Bunny trail. Super highway back here. Mm-hmm.
Years ago, they logged all that out.
Yeah.
I remember when they were doing it. Pink thing, that's the boundary line.
I don't see pink thing. Oh, right there. Okay. Okay, so here is the sign. Elmer P. And Irene Jasper Woods Memorial. So their last name was Jasper.
See, all the sanctuaries are dotted in green.
Yep. It shows us all the sanctuaries. The green dots are all the sanctuaries owned by MichiganNature.org.
A lot of them in St. Clair County.
There's a lot.
Look at all the Keweenaw.
Yes, we were up in the Keweenaw and visited Escavant Pines. Wow, I've never seen such huge pine trees in my life. That's a great visit. Yeah, I would love to go over there by Sault Ste. Marie. Look at all of them there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, there's a bunch over on that side.
Yeah. Okay.
And the other is all that Hiawatha National Forest along US 2.